Hey guys, make sure to stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays and not to just assume that a fuse is good or bad, because that may cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Mustang between year 2015 and year 2023. This is known as the 6th generation. If you need to find a fuse for the purge control valve, the EVAP system, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, how to test that fuse, because it's very important to test fuses, and where you can buy cheap fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, guys. Anything from engines, transmissions, bodywork. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this absolutely free information. And if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, because some of those could be really expensive at the parts store, any parts, any tools for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So that should work on multiple engines. Ford Mustang 2.3, 5.0. If you have the EcoBoost or the GT, it should work as well. We're demonstrating specifically on 2018 GT 5.0 engine. Now check this thing out. This is the best investment we've done, in my opinion. You don't need to support your hood. We installed the hood lift system. We have a special video that explains how to do that step by step on our channel. Now if you want to see how to test purge control valve, okay, we have, guys, multiple videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to test purge control valve. We have videos on Fords as well, how to replace purge control valve, and very important, the symptoms of bad purge control valve and how it can affect your car. And you may think you need expensive repairs when all you need to do is replace the purge control valve. The fuse for it is right here. You're going to press here, pull up. This is the fuse box, that's the layout here, and that corresponds to what we have specifically here. Which fuse that we need to check specifically, guys, now for that purge control valve will be before we do that, let me just tell you why it's super important to test fuses. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So if you look now, okay, right here, guys, you can see you're going to have the fuses will be a little bit chaotic. They do not make sense sometimes, the numbering, but we'll be working that fuse panel right here. I'm talking about that fuse panel, and the fuse that we need to check will be fuse number 40. We're talking about a 20 amp fuse, okay, the second fuse on the right row. A 20 amp fuse, that's the one for the purge control valve. If you need to buy cheap fuses and relays, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get them at a fraction of the price. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.